Hey class, just wanted to check in very quickly to see how everyone's doing. We're already in Module 3 going on to almost Module 4 of this summer session, so it's moving really quickly. I appreciate all the feedback that you have provided in the class survey, and I can adjust accordingly based upon some of the suggestions that you made. So, for example, we're going to try to have more hands-on experiences for you. The quizzes are kind of just a quick refresher. I don't weight them that heavily, obviously, because I don't necessarily think that's the best way to learn HR content. The project that we're going to work on for next week, I provided some instructions in the course, so if you go over to the individual research paper instructions, which is in Blackboard, it will provide you with some really solid content on the suggestions for the format. Basically, the gist of this project, and I can kind of summarize it a little bit nicely for you in this video. You want to go out and look at those great places to work. See what they're doing from a human resource management perspective that's getting them the recognition to be on this list. So, for example, within the functional areas of HR, you have recruiting, you have employee benefits, you have employee compensation, you have employee relations, employment law, other functional areas. I'm kind of drawing a blank now, but when you look at all of the HR functions, do you want to focus in on one of those areas? Do you want to learn what kind of benefits they're offering? Do you want to learn if they're paying their people above the market, below the market? Are they using benefits as a way to retain people? Or are they paying lower and giving benefits to people to just kind of make up for lower salaries? So these are things I'd like you to kind of look at. Look at a good company, a company that maybe you'd want to work at, and then compare them to companies that need help. So for example, if your employer currently is not offering something as far as training and development, as far as how they recruit, as far as employee benefits, why is that so? Is it a financial constraint, or do they not understand the value that HR brings to the organization? So you're really going to dive deep into this project, apply what we're learning in these modules each week. So think of what you've covered so far and how you can apply it to the business world. And then compare. Benchmark. Benchmarking is really important skill set because the benchmark is going to show you the best employer and other employers. And I'm sorry, but we all want to work for the best employer. Why wouldn't we? So let's learn from this experience and apply the research. If you have any questions on my expectations, just let me know in either an email or in the FAQ discussion forum. And I will try to post some examples of previous projects. 5 pages total. So 5 pages of research and content structured based upon how you would like to conduct this research. I've given you an outline. A table would be nicely helpful in this project to compare these 3 companies, what they're doing right, where there's areas of opportunity, what you would recommend. So this is a really great project. In the past, it's really helped students to learn the concepts. Any questions at all, let me know. Have a great day. Thanks.